Probably best if you don't look down. Yeah, let it pop. Treading fast so you don't just drown. You pack the scoop of gear, my dear, you hear that around the town. It's a real wet shindig. Everybody's gonna get the name in lights. High in the sky, we got a chance to win big. Look, a man flying like a hot balloon. That could be us in the golden afternoon. Look, a lady, calm like a baby, strutting the stuff as she gets so crazy.
So I was all like, wow, this looks way fun. And my friends were all like, oh, it is, trust me.
Bouncing off the floor, try to catch a little wind. Made it out the door, here I am again. I like it when I find there's a lot to do today. People live right nice, think about my way. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh.
And I'm running around the block, I talk a lot, I walk the dock until I find the best swimsuit. Every now and then I gotta get a bit of treatsy, give a little wink if you know what I mean. See, hey, look, slipping like a water slide, seeing better when I do it and I close my eyes. This place is better than I ever thought, never a thought, couldn't ever easily bought. Free hotness, don't stop this, can't top this. Let's drop this beat and hurry up and get on the pier. Everyone is coming and I'm drumming severe. Now get on top, probably best if you don't look down. Now let it pop. Treading fast so you don't just drown.
Bouncing off the floor, trying to catch a little wind. Made it out the door, but here I go again. Liking what I find, there's a lot to do today. People live right nice, and I think I found my way. Uh-oh, I think I found my way. Uh-oh, I think I found my way.
Now get on top, probably best if you don't look down. Now let it pop, treading fast so you don't just drown.
Well, Connor, I've recently discovered that space is just a word made up by someone who's afraid to get to close. Yeah. So we are currently heading to load, because I assume that's what you meant. Not what I said earlier. But what a way to start the day.
So this is our room. This is our cabin, I should say. 2 bunks, little porthole window, a mirror. Nathan, are you still in the bathroom?
That'd be pretty funny.
Hey, easy.
Easy.
Alright, so, once again, here's our bathroom, as Nathan will demonstrate. The entire bathroom
Is the shower. Except for the roof.
The roof is not the shower, but everything else is the shower.
I could literally shower here and you could watch me.
I will. What are we doing? What's our situation here?
Alright, so we're currently on the island Martinique, and my spiritual quest right now is to search for Wi-Fi that works with the App Store. And Connor's trying to see this church that's very old and buy a souvenir.
It's over there. Let's walk through this cool old archway.
I hope this archway has Wi-Fi, Connor. Connor, what is your take on this island?
Quaint.
Quaint?
Quaint.
So what is it?
First time trying papaya. Can you speak? First time. You do it. First time trying papaya. First time trying papaya. It's like a mango, but like less of a mango-y kick. It's like a calm mango. How I describe it? Calm mango.
So then is a mango just a crazy papaya?
It's very rough. Sorry. We're sailing back to Saint Lucia, so we're like out in like the deep like Channel Ocean right now. Super rough. We've just been chilling in the room, but we're sort of getting tossed around now. We're gonna see what's going on upstairs. Are you coming or what? Shh. Holy Lord. I'll be saved if I fall overboard, so who's the idiot now? Well, that's it. Nathan, any final words?
It was fun. It was a great experience. Not that good.